Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the Pheromance dating app. First, download and open the Pheromance dating app on your phone. Then complete the sign up process by creating your account using your email or phone number. Pheromance is a dating platform designed for people who want real and meaningful connections. It focuses on serious relationships instead of casual chats, helping users find partners with similar intentions. Now, after logging in, set up your profile. Add your name, age, location, and a clear profile picture so others can recognize you easily. You can also write a short bio that describes your interests and what you are looking for. Next, adjust your preferences. Choose the type of people you want to meet based on age range, location, and relationship goals. This helps the app show more relevant matches. After that, start exploring profiles. You can swipe or browse through suggested users and view their details to see if you have common interests. When you find someone interesting, tap on the chat option to start a conversation. The app is designed for real-time messaging so you can connect instantly and begin meaningful discussions. Then, keep your profile active by regularly updating your pictures or bio. This increases your chances of getting better matches. Pheromance is mainly built to help people move away from empty chats and focus on real conversations that can lead to genuine relationships. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.